and welcome to this tutorial on real-world use cases of AIOps. In this session, we'll explore how artificial intelligence for IT operations, or AIOps, is transforming modern IT environments. From managing large-scale incidents to improving security and reducing costs, AIOps plays a crucial role in streamlining operations and enhancing business outcomes. In this tutorial, we will cover the business benefits of AIOps and why organizations are adopting it, how AIOps enhances incident management and reduces alert fatigue, the role of AIOps in handling large-scale outages and ensuring business continuity, predictive maintenance and anomaly detection for data centers, how AIOps integrates with security incident and event management SIM tools, the impact of AIOps on threat intelligence and response automation, how AIOps helps in reducing operational costs and downtime, the importance of AIOps in improving response times, customer satisfaction, and documentation. Now, let's begin. Before we look at specific use cases, let's first understand why businesses are embracing AIOps. Traditional IT operations struggle with data overload, slow incident response times, and costly downtimes. AIOps helps by automating issue detection and resolution, reducing the workload on IT teams, enhancing decision-making through AI-driven insights, improving system performance and user experience, minimizing downtime, which translates to cost savings and increased revenue. Now, let's see how these benefits come to life in practical applications. One of the primary applications of AIOps is incident management. Large IT infrastructures generate vast amounts of logs and alerts, often leading to alert fatigue for operations teams. AIOps helps by correlating alerts to identify the root cause of an issue rather than treating each alert separately, automatically categorizing and prioritizing incidents, ensuring critical problems are addressed first, providing intelligent recommendations to resolve incidents faster. This results in quicker problem resolution and less disruption to business operations. In today's digital world, outages can cost businesses millions. AIOps helps predict, detect, and mitigate service disruptions by monitoring real-time performance metrics across IT environments, using anomaly detection to spot deviations that may indicate an impending outage, triggering automated responses to mitigate the impact before users are affected. This proactive approach minimizes downtime and ensures business continuity. AIOps plays a crucial role in data center operations, where hardware failures and system crashes can be disastrous. It achieves this by predicting hardware failures using historical performance data, detecting unusual system behavior that could lead to malfunctions, automating preventive maintenance tasks to reduce human intervention. By doing so, businesses can extend the life of their infrastructure and prevent costly breakdowns. Security is a top priority for any IT organization, and AIOps enhances security through security information and event management SIM integration. AIOps helps by analyzing security logs to detect potential threats in real time, correlating security events to identify patterns of cyber attacks, triggering automated alerts and responses to prevent breaches before they escalate. This integration strengthens an organization's cybersecurity posture and reduces the time it takes to respond to threats. Beyond detecting threats, AIOps automates threat response, making security teams more efficient. Some key applications include identifying and blocking malicious activity before it impacts the network, automating incident response playbooks to contain threats faster, providing continuous learning capabilities to adapt to new attack patterns. With AIOps, security teams can focus on strategic initiatives instead of manually investigating every alert. AIOps also delivers tangible financial benefits by reducing operational costs. It achieves this through optimizing resource allocation, ensuring servers and networks operate at peak efficiency, reducing the need for manual intervention, which cuts down labor costs, lowering downtime-related losses by preventing incidents before they occur. By leveraging AI-driven insights, businesses can maximize efficiency while keeping costs under control. Finally, AIOps enhances the overall customer experience by reducing mean time to resolution, MTTR, ensuring services remain available, enhancing customer satisfaction through proactive issue resolution, ensuring proper documentation of incidents and responses, which helps in compliance and future incident prevention. With AIOps, businesses can maintain high service levels and continuously improve their IT operations. To summarize, in this tutorial we explored the business benefits of AIOps, including automation and efficiency improvements. How AIOps supports incident management in large-scale IT environments. The role of AIOps in predicting and mitigating service disruptions. How predictive maintenance and anomaly detection improve data center reliability. The integration of AIOps with SIEM tools for better security incident detection. The impact of threat intelligence and automated response mechanisms. How AIOps reduces operational costs and enhances efficiency. The role of AIOps in improving response times, customer satisfaction, and documentation. By implementing AIOps, organizations can transform their IT operations, enhance security, and improve service delivery. Before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching.